Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing TG so you can run macros immediately. Install the TG client or telethon, then authenticate. Enter API ID and API hash or paste a bot token. Once authenticated, create a persistent session file and save it securely. Make sure to restrict file permissions because sessions hold credentials. Next, create a simple macro folder and a starter macro file named macro, pi or macro. Lua. This gives you a concrete place to write the first actionable macro and begin automating tasks. Once your session exists, you author the core macro logic. Define clear triggers, a command, a schedule, or message patterns. Use regular expressions for accurate matching. Then, implement the handler function that reads inputs, updates variables, and stores state in a small JSON or SQLite file so data persists. Make sure to add error handling and structured logging. This helps you trace behavior. Finally, test handlers interactively in a private chat. Iterate until outputs match expected results and edge cases are covered. Now you deploy and monitor the macro workflow. Launch the macro under a process manager like systemd or PM2 so it auto-restarts. Schedule recurring tasks with cron or the client scheduler and always respect API rate limits. Once running, monitor logs and watch for unhandled exceptions. Make incremental fixes as you observe behavior. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. Enable verbose logging and implement a retry with exponential backoff for transient network errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.